dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ashley if you're new here, and today I have for you a boho inspired shared master bedroom. My plan for this room was to create a cozy and romantic feel, as well as maximizing the space for our baby who's 10 months, and he shares majority of this room with us. And also we have this space for an office because we don't have a separate office and a nursery, so we kind of combined everything together. I try to make sure that everything was cohesive, so let me know if I succeeded. Anything you see in here that I don't mention on the voiceover, please let me know if you have any questions or anything like that. Also, I tried to create a budget-friendly, realistic version of a room makeover because I see all these room makeovers and I'm like, I don't have that to go to the store and buy all these things. So a lot of you commented on the boho patio about the pressure washer. Guys, if it's something that I don't use on here, it's because I don't have it in the budget to buy it. So just understand that, okay? But everything I tried to do in here is what I had the means for. I don't try to live above my means. I will get a pressure washer later in the year, maybe when we move into our next house. I just don't feel like it's necessary right now. So enjoy the video and let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. So the first thing I want to do is show you guys the before. So this is what we're working with. This is our master bedroom slash nursery slash office, and this is how I had to decorate it for a little bit when the baby came. It's not anything that's like cozy or anything like that. It was just functional, and that's what we were working with. And this is the other side. We do have a bathroom attached. I will be making over the bathroom eventually. I started out by using this paper. I wanted to use this paper, and then I was like, no, I'm not going to use that paper because it wasn't sticking to the wall. So I found this paper from Dollar General for about $3, and it's wallpaper, peel and stick, and I'm going to paint over it. My plan was to do like a half circle, and then you guys will see how it turned out. So I got this paint from Home Depot. This is Colorful Leaves, and I love the color. It is like a terracotta color but a little darker, and yeah, I just wanted to give it some type of accent, and I think I did okay. The next time I do it, I have some different ways that I'm gonna try to go about it, but I think it turned out good in the end. So if you are new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I am going to be making over every room in this house, so guys, plenty of content that's coming your way. The next room that I am making over is going to be the kitchen and then the bathroom, so you do not want to miss that. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you don't miss any videos. I don't have a steady hand. I don't know if you can tell, but I ended up liking it and not getting my husband to fix it. I like the look of it not being perfect, so I decided to keep it just like it is. So I'm giving the room a quick cleanup, guys. In between projects, it's always a mess because you got packaging, you got things, you got real life like laundry that needs to be put away, all the things. And I also wanted to go ahead and organize his dresser. I was using multiple bins and stuff to to put his things in, but I'm so glad that I was able to find this dresser. If you hadn't seen that video yet, go check it out. It's a boho thrift flip, and I made over the dresser. I painted it and everything. And so I'm just going to put all of his little things inside of these cubbies, which I love. This dresser was only $40 and it was solid wood. So I got these prints from Etsy. They were so cute, guys. I didn't want to part from them, but I have to. It's not, I want a clear wall, just a clear wall. And I'm sure one of my siblings will be able to use those soon because we have so many. My husband has 10 siblings, I have 7, and I'm sure somebody's bound to have a baby. We actually have one niece or nephew on the way right now, so they'll be able to use them. If not, I'll use the frames for a gallery wall. That's going to be happening in the entryway. Also got these pillows from Marshall's. When I tell you guys, I did splurge a little bit on these. They are so soft and so worth it, and I'm so glad I made the purchase. It gives it another additional pop of color, not too bright, but like a neutral color, if that makes any sense. I got this pillow from Ross. I actually bought 2 of those. I returned the other one because I didn't need it. Took this down. I'm thinking, and this is my thought process, I'm thinking about putting it over my bed, so over here kinda. I want a longer shelf, but I don't want to spend another dime on anything. All the things I'm not using, because I did get a lot of things that I'm not going to use. I'm going to return those. I'm not going to keep those. I just feel like it's just so much, and less is definitely more in terms of decorating. But I think I took it down from here. I'm also gonna do away with one of these frames. I don't know. I think about putting something else right there. I'm just not feeling it, but we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna dust this off because it's really dusty, and I'm gonna get my husband to put it up there. Shout out to my husband Cardell for hanging everything up straight and making sure everything was leveled. He also hung up the plants and everything, so I appreciate it. Big shout out to him. Painting from Marshall's, and I'm gonna hang it up in replace of the frames that I have here. I'm gonna just put them somewhere else, but I wanted to read this little snippet on the back of the artist. So it says, activism, equality, women of color, and women empowerment inspire the works of Raleigh-based artist Mackenzie Jones. The self-confessed hippie at heart is also passionate about health and wellness and trying new things whenever possible. She has a degree in graphic design and enjoys being able to use her creativity in many different mediums. When she's not creating custom portraits and photography pieces through her Etsy shop, Kenzie Studio Co. or Incorporated. Is that incorporated? Jones is busy being a mom to 2 small boys. So I just thought this was gonna be so cute. She has 2 small boys. Say hey. I just woke up. No. See, I just woke up, y'all. I'm tired, Mama. Not that tired. So I got this plant from Marshall's, and then I got the light colored one from TJ Maxx. It came already hanging, already with a string on it. And yeah, so we're gonna hang both of these plants up. And I got this plant hanger from TJ Maxx. I got it from TJ Maxx. Oh, no, I got it from Marshall's. Sorry, I got that from Marshall's as well. So I got this rug from Ross, and I love that it matches the wall. It looks so good, and I'm so happy about it. I got these lights from Hobby Lobby, and they have made the room just pop. This linen spray came from Marshall's as well, along with this prayer card box, which I'm excited to start using. So guys, I'm ready for the reveal. I wanted to show you guys this nightstand, and I just love how it's set up. I got the little mirror tray from a guy who just needed a little help, and I just put my earrings and my perfume on there for now. Try to keep everything simple and not too cluttered. I got my prayer box up there, got me some plants and a good smelling candle, which I got from Ross. Now, I didn't share like a lot of different things where I got everything from, but I hope if I did miss something, you just let me know and I will try to remember where I got it from. But yeah, I love how simple everything is and so dainty. I got the curtains from the dollar store, and I just put some yarn and I just put it together. This dresser, I did spray paint the handles, and my husband put the TV up. And I got these plants a while ago. One of these were the big one was in my classroom for a while. And yeah, I'm just going to let you guys see the rest of the video. I don't want to talk over too much. And yeah, if you have any questions on where I got anything that's not mentioned, please let me know in the comments below.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.